Welcome back to the English grammar class. Hope all of you are fine. Today, let us learn conjunctions. Before we learn the meaning of conjunctions, let's see junctions. The road junctions. We all know that a road junction is the place where two or more roads join. So the word junction has something to do with joining. A junction joins two or more things. Here, the word conjunction joins words, group of words, or sentences. Conjunction is also called linking word or a joining word. We are already familiar with some conjunctions like and, or, but, because. Let's see where these conjunctions are used. First one, and. And is used to join two nouns, adjectives, pronouns, and clauses that have related ideas. Look at the examples. First one, my brother is tall and smart. Here, the words tall and smart are adjectives. They are joined by the word and, which is a conjunction. Next one, Ram and Shyam are brothers. The next, my sister and I study in the same school. Now the fourth, I went to the zoo and saw many animals. Remember that when we use and, the sentences do not have any opposing ideas. Now let's look at the next conjunction, but. But is used to join words, phrases, and sentences that have opposite ideas. When we use but, the sentences show contrast. So, but is used whenever there are opposing ideas. Now, let's look at some examples. First one, he is poor but happy. Delhi is a beautiful city, but it is very crowded. She was ready on time but reached the party late. The next, he is rich but not generous. In all these sentences, we can see the contrast or the opposing ideas. Now, the next conjunction, or. Or is used whenever there is a choice. Look at the examples. Study hard or you will fail. You stay in Delhi or Mumbai. You can continue your work or you can go home. You want to sleep or watch TV. In all these sentences, you can see that there is a choice. You can do this or that. Now the next conjunction, because. Because is used to show a reason. It is used to join two clauses where one clause says something and the other gives a reason for it. Look at the examples. She stood first in the class because she worked hard. I am sleeping now because I didn't sleep last night. Look at the first sentence. She stood first in the class. It is the first clause. And the reason for that clause is given in the next clause. That is, she worked hard. She stood first in the class because she worked hard. So, because is used to join two clauses where one clause says something, the other clause gives the reason for it. Now let's look at the next one. The next conjunction, until. Until is used when we talk about a particular point of time or to express time. Look at the examples. You should not sleep until you complete your work. No one left the room until the talk ended. Don't move from here until your parents return. Here, in the first sentence, the particular point of time you complete your work is mentioned. And in the second, the time the talk ended is mentioned. And in the third one, the time your parents return is mentioned. Now the next conjunction, when. When is used when we talk about two events happening at the same time. I was watching television when my father came home. I loved history when I was at school. These two sentences tell us that two events took place at the same time. When is also used to express time. For example, call me when you have time. It is that point of time when you have time. Or it is that point of time when you are free and then you have to call me. Now the next conjunction, if. If is used when we talk about a condition. If is used to express condition. Look at the examples. If you study, you will pass the exam. I will go to the party if I complete my homework. The next one, brush your teeth daily if you don't want any gum diseases. In the first sentence, the condition is you study. In the second sentence, the condition is to complete my homework. And in the third, brush your teeth is the condition. Condition is something that must be done. First sentence, you must study. And in the second sentence, I must complete my homework. And in the third sentence, you must brush your teeth. These are the conditions. So, if is used to express condition. We'll see more conjunctions in the next part of the video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.